Hello, this is Dr. Leo at LeTime. Do you have a tired eyes or you want to recover eye bag? Today I'm going to show you a special hydrosol you can try, and this can help you remove the inflammation and reduce the tired eye and eye bag. Lovely blue color cornflower. The blue part is edible. It can go with your food or make a tea with it. So you gotta use the KD5. It's pretty easy. Just add the flower in. Now the hydrosol is ready. There are two ways to use it. The first way is pretty easy, just use as a sprayer. So close eyes and spray it on it. It's nice cold and help relax. It's pretty good. The second way is using a cotton pad. Pour the hydrosol on the pad. Just soak it and put on the eye bag if you have. And this is wonderful as a mask for the eye. Not only to relax but also reduce the inflammation. Besides making the hydrosol from cornflower, you can also make a tea by using the petals, or you can decorate the food with the petals with a lovely blue color. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you learned something today, and leave your questions and comments down below. And this is Dr. Liu. See you next time.